Today, Shiba Inu are finally making their appearance. Following days of fall, the price increased. The air just changed. Signals are being dropped by analysts. Elon Musk just made a bold decision that is significant for Shiba Inu. But with Coinbase, something even more bizarre occurred. They are taking away hundreds of billions of Shiba Inu, and there's no sign of the developers. What's going on? What am I even talking about anyway? Let me clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu continues to move, and it seems that the cost has finally leveled out. It is a couple of percent higher than it was yesterday. Even while it's not a tremendous pump, it's still significant since it indicates that some of those losses are now being eliminated. People's trust is gradually returning, and the market atmosphere is beginning to change. Although the buzz is starting to build again, there's more going on here than simply a little price increase. This may be a watershed moment, one expert said. Shiba Inu has lately increased by more than 5% and is beginning to show some true strength. Buyers are intervening at a stable level to prevent additional declines, which is encouraging. In actuality, the new small pump increased the fire's fuel by pushing it over another crucial threshold. At the moment, nothing significant is preventing it. However, Shiba Inu must break over a challenging price range a little higher if it really hopes to continue rising. We could see even greater improvements in the future if that takes place. Additionally, it will need to strive even harder to properly confirm return if it really wants to get rid of the negative emotions. Conversely, it has a hold over a particular threshold to maintain a positive appearance. Things can become difficult once again if it falls too low. The recent increase in trade volume supports several signs that suggest momentum is changing. Although there is undoubtedly some purchasing pressure, it is unclear whether it is sufficient to advance the situation. For the time being, a true resurgence may be imminent if Shiba Inu continues to maintain its stability and make significant progress. However, it may not have the firepower for a huge resurgence just yet if some major players don't step in. However, you may be asking yourself, why now? What's happening? Why is there such a quick change in price? Perhaps this is the ideal moment to zoom out and take a more comprehensive view. Shiba Inu aren't the only ones who are making moves, it turns out. The same is true with Bitcoin. Over the last day, its price has been steadily increasing, recovering from the bottom 96 level and approaching 98. Even if it's not a huge spike, some people will notice. The rest of the market often follows when Bitcoin begins to move in this way, and that's precisely what's happening right now. The worst part is still to come. Bitcoin may potentially be about to reach a new all-time high, according to one researcher. Due in large part to its association with gold, Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency, may be preparing for a significant jump. Recently, gold has been soaring, setting new milestones and steadily increasing in value. After hitting a record high on Inauguration Day, Bitcoin has been trading in a narrow range for the previous 2 weeks. Here's the intriguing bit, however. Bitcoin is often not far behind gold when it pushes ahead like this. This tendency has been seen by analysts throughout the years, and history indicates that Bitcoin may soon be ready to follow gold's example once again. Dank, one expert, said that although gold has been booming, Bitcoin has been in an accumulation period. However, Bitcoin ultimately catches up whenever anything similar occurs. Similar remarks were made by Carbon, another Bitcoin fan, who said that Bitcoin generally tracks changes in the price of gold, although with a little lag. If that's the case, a significant run-up may be imminent. How much higher might Bitcoin really rise? There are predictions everywhere. By the end of the year, some experts predict it will reach far over 6 figures. Others even have outrageous goals like $1 million. The general attitude is evident regardless of whether it reaches that level. Bitcoin is preparing for a major event. Additionally, the remainder of the cryptocurrency market swings in tandem with Bitcoin. This is where Shiba Inu are useful. Shiba Inu may be dragged up with Bitcoin if it begins to rise to new heights. This has happened previously. Memes like Shiba Inu seem to get part of the enthusiasm when Bitcoin confidence rises. Therefore, if this tendency develops as specialists predict, we may be seeing the beginning of something very remarkable. However, here is where the situation becomes even more intriguing. Amidst the current fervor in the cryptocurrency space, Elon Musk just intervened and took a risk. As it happens, Tesla just added a sizable portion of Bitcoin to its holdings. Tesla increased its Bitcoin holdings to more than 11,000 coins, according to a tweet. That's enormous. If you recall, Elon Musk startled everyone in 2021 when he bought Bitcoin for $1.5 billion. Since then, the company's cryptocurrency approach has fluctuated, keeping everyone guessing while sometimes holding and occasionally selling. However, this most recent purchase shows that Tesla still has faith in the long-term worth of Bitcoin. Given the volatility of Bitcoin's price, Tesla's action is both audacious and calculated. In addition to diversifying their assets and protecting them from inflation, it also conveys a statement. Bitcoin is still being wagered on by major players. Additionally, the whole cryptocurrency industry is impacted when organizations like Tesla exhibit confidence. Here's why Shiba Inu find this to be significant. The Shiba Inu often follows Bitcoin when it makes a significant move. The two have a tendency to move in tandem, and as Tesla once again supports Bitcoin, market confidence and excitement are only rising. Energy like that has the potential to elevate Shiba Inu even more. However, Elon Musk is another force at work here. He has a significant impact on meme currencies, as we are all aware. Every time he even mentions his famous past with meme coins, the whole meme coin market is affected. It wouldn't be shocking to see Shiba Inu pick up some of that pace given that link. We may have the ideal conditions for Shiba Inu to make a significant move if Bitcoin's rise continues and Musk's influence feeds the flames. A new peak for all time? It may not be as unrealistic as it seems. Everything is falling into place. The market is becoming hotter. Bitcoin is getting stronger, and major players are acting. The scene is prepared. Shiba Inu may be in for a crazy trip if this pattern continues. Speaking of large-scale deals, Shiba Inu recently had a really intriguing development. There have been shocking reports of a rapid withdrawal of more than 150 billion Shiba Inu from Coinbase. The marketplace hasn't been very intriguing recently, based on appearances. There has been some waiting involved. However, this does not imply that nothing is occurring simply because the price is not changing substantially. Behind the scenes is where the actual action sometimes takes place. We now know that an unidentified wallet removed this enormous Shiba Inu hoard from Coinbase over the course of the previous several days, according to information provided by Arkham Intelligence. At today's pricing, that's worth a couple of $1 million, so it's certainly not negligible change. However, things get much more enigmatic at this point. Prior to this wallet had no history, no previous transactions, nothing. Additionally, the identical Coinbase address was used for each and every withdrawal. And because something even odd just occurred with Shiba Inu futures, this could just be the beginning. Recently, Shiba Inu has not made any significant changes and has been trading in a very narrow range. However, the futures industry went haywire behind the scenes. Shiba Inu futures trade volume surged for a few seconds, reaching a huge multi-billion-dollar peak before abruptly plummeting by about 90%. Typically, this kind of surge indicates one thing. Traders jumped on the bandwagon quickly, but the excitement was short-lived. According to market statistics, long-term investors were not stocking up. Most of it was supposition, a brief flurry of enthusiasm that vanished as quickly as it appeared. The weird part comes next. Where are the developers? I mean, they seem to have disappeared. No announcements, no updates, and no clues regarding a potential new partnership. Nothing but quiet. And as a result of all that has been going on, these enormous whales move and strange futures rise. You would expect that they would intervene to resolve the matter. However, no. Nothing. It doesn't feel quite right. But wait. Additionally, some are wondering, what if this is all a part of something larger? What if the developers are keeping quiet because they have a big project in the works? Consider it. Shiba Inu often indicate that something significant is about to happen when things start to become strange. They could be working on a big project together. Perhaps a new token is being developed. Or what if they have a crazy burn upgrade in the works that may make all the difference? The pieces are beginning to fit together, but for now it's all just conjecture. The element of surprise has always been there in Shiba Inu's most significant events. Is this one of those occasions? Are we going to see anything that revives the excitement and elevates Shiba Inu to a new level? Whatever is going on, which we do not yet know, is certainly something to watch. However, what do you think of this? Leave a comment below. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.